Hello students, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is very important topic and it is very important for our life also. Different type of acids we use. So to understand all the topic related to carboxylic acid, you should watch the video till end. Hello children, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is carboxylic acid. What is that? That is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay. So what are the carboxylic acid? Here, if I say this is the formula of carboxylic acid. Is that correct? Yes, that is correct. Okay. So instead of this we can write hydrocarbon. What we can write? Hydrocarbon. That may be aromatic hydrocarbon. That may be aliphatic hydrocarbon. So on that basis we can define carboxylic acid. Means hydrocarbon containing carboxyl group. Hydrocarbon containing carboxyl group is called carboxylic acid. So we can define it. Hydrocarbon containing carboxylic group is called carboxylic acid. What is that? The hydrocarbon containing carboxylic group is called carboxylic acid. What? The hydrocarbon containing carboxylic group is called carboxylic acid. It means if carboxylic group is attached to hydrocarbon, that is called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, let us see, carboxylic acid is consists of carbonyl group and hydroxyl group What we have seen here? The carboxylic acid is consists of carbonyl group. This is carbonyl group. This one is carbonyl group and hydroxyl group Okay. Let us write some more example. So I will rub this. So what we have discussed here? What are the carboxylic acid? So what are the carboxylic acid? The hydrocarbon containing carboxylic group is called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic group is consist of carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. Okay. And this is hydrocarbon. So we have already defined it. Okay. Let us see. Carboxylic acid may be aromatic or aliphatic depending upon alkyl or aryl group attached to the carboxylic group. Means the carboxylic acid may be aromatic or aliphatic. It depends on alkylic group and aryl group. How it depends. Carboxylic acid, I wrote carboxylic group. If I added here H means R, and instead of R we can write CH3, means any alkyl group. What we can do? We can write any alkyl group. So this is what is aliphatic carboxylic group. Aliphatic carboxylic group. So carboxylic acid may be aromatic or aliphatic depending upon alkyl or aryl group attached to the carboxylic group. So if I wrote this is carboxylic group, here this is carboxylic group. if I attach this group, alkyl group means R. Okay, so this will be aliphatic. If I added benzene ring, aryl group to this, if I added aryl group to this, so that will be, what is, that will be aromatic carboxylic acid. So depending on aryl or alkyl groups, carboxylic acid may be aliphatic or aromatic. Alkenoid is the name of carboxylic acid. Means IPAC name is alkenoic acid. IPAC name of carboxylic acid is alkenoic acid. Like this, we can write some example here. HCOOH. So alkenoid means this is methanoic acid. Okay, if I wrote that, this, if I wrote, what is the name of this one? Ethanoic acid. What is ethanoic acid? If we say that from alkane E is replaced by oic acid, means if we replace E from alkane, that will be the, sorry, if we replace E by oic acid from corresponding alkane, then the name of carboxylic acid will be that. So if we are replacing this E by oic acid, so what will be? Alkenoic acid. So we can write name of any any acid by adding oic acid. So for methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, like this we can write. But one point you have to remember, if more than one group is present in acid, means if more than one carboxylic group is present in acid, so di will be used to show the number. Means if one is there, we will not use. If two is, we will use di. Three is, that is tri will be used. So like this we can write the compound. So what is the compound? Like this, if I wrote like this, okay, so what will be name of this compound? What we have seen? Alkenoid. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4. With and how many groups are? 2 groups. So what will be? Dioic acid. Butane dioic acid. Butane dioic acid. If more than 2 are there, if more than 2 groups are there, then we will use carboxylic acid. Let us take some example, by that things will be clear. If more than 2 groups are attached to hydrocarbon, means more than 2 carboxylic groups are attached to the hydrocarbon, then tri will be used. But one point you have to remember, we will use carboxylic acid. We will use carboxylic acid because here it is difficult to show the group. So in this case, if more than 2 groups are there, if more 1, 2 and 3 carboxylic group are there. So in these cases, we will write the name, but tricarboxylic acid will be added. And one more point you remember it, we will write, if we are adding carboxylic acid, so these carbon will not be counted. Again, if we are using carboxylic acid, these carboxylic carbons will not be included. But before this we have included like this, we have included in this. But if more than 2 carboxylic group are present, so they will be named, but that carboxylic group carbon will not be added. So what will be? Propane, how many? 1, 2, 3. Propane, okay, 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 3. Tricarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid will be name of this compound. And other case, when we will write carboxylic acid, we will discuss. If carboxylic acid is not in a ring, then we will use carboxylic acid like this. Like this we will. What will be name of this one? So name of this compound is, what is? Benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid, and other name of this one is also benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So you have to remember, you have to learn that if carboxylic group is not in a ring, then we will use carboxylic acid at the end of aromatic ring, and that carbon will not be included in a ring. Okay. Other example, if you see, what is other example? So if I am taking this example, one more example, I will take here like this. One group carboxylic group is there, and one more carboxylic group is here. Okay. So what will be name of this compound, beta? Let us see. What is the name? Benzene dicarboxylic acid. Benzene dicarboxylic acid. One more case is there, so you have not to be confused. Just see the case. What case is there? If this ring is attached to the alkyl group, means this is attached to the alkyl group. Let us see like this. If we take like this, C double OH. Okay, if I take this, so in this case, carboxylic acid is not bonded to a ring. So here the name of this will be like this here. So it will be taken as a side chain. So what will be? Phenyl, and what is the position? 1, 2. 2 phenyl. What is name? Ethanoic acid. So this point you remember it. If like this ring is bonded, so it will be side chain. Understand? So these are the example of different compounds when the carboxylic group is 1, 2 or 3. So in case of 1, 2 we will not use any number to show that, but if 2 is that, die will be used. But if there are 3 carboxylic group bonded to the same ring, or they are present in same chain, so in that case we will use carboxylic acid, and that carboxylic acid carbon will not be included in a chain. What? If we see here, how many carbons are there? For your information, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon are there. So what we have written? Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid, because these carbons are not included. Okay students, I think you have understood. So students, next topic is structure of carbonyl sorry, structure of carboxyl group. Carboxyl group. So first I will start like this. If you see what is the hybridization of this carboxyl carbon, so I think you might be knowing how to calculate the hybridization, but if you don't know, I will tell here. Number of sigma bond. Number of sigma bond. With the help of sigma bond, we can calculate the hybridization of the atom, whatever atom is there. So here, one sigma and one sigma. You know that in double bond there is one sigma and one bond. So if number of sigma is 3, that is sp2 hybridization. The number of sigma is 4, that is sp3 hybridization. If number of sigma is 2, that is sp hybridization. So how many sigma bonds are there? There are 3 sigma bonds. So the hybridization of carboxylic carbon is sp2. When sp2 hybridized, bonds are in one plane and separated by 120 degree. The carbon is in sp2 hybridization and all the bonds are in same plane separated by 120 degree. But one point we have to remember here, what is that? That this carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic than the carbonyl carbon. You remember it? This carboxylic carbon, sometime maybe ask one question, why the carboxylic carbon is less electronegative than the carbonyl carbon. So this carboxylic carbon, what is the reason? So let us see here. Being more electronegative, it will attract the electron. If it attracts electron, so that bond goes to upside and form here like this. This bond shift that side and there will be negative charge. Due to transfer of charge, positive charge develop here. Due to transfer of charge, positive charge develop on that carbon, and this oxygen containing 2 lone pair electron. Okay, so being positive, it will attract lone pair electron. So charge will be generated to this. This charge will be transferred here. If these 2 electrons goes there, so this charge will be transferred there. So positive charge is developed here, and positive charge is developed. So like that structure you will get. What is difference in this? The separate distribution of charge. Distribution of charge in carboxylic group makes the carboxylic carbon less stable. Means in simple word, if I say, due to distribution of charge, the separation of charge, we can say, you may see there positive charge, here negative charge. But if we see in that carbonyl group, charge was not distributed. Means distribution of charge doesn't take place in carbonyl carbon. You may go to that point, carbonyl carbon. But here distribution of charge is found, and distribution of charge destabilizes the carboxylic group in comparison to carbonyl compound. So this point remember. Sometime maybe ask one question, why the carboxylic carbon is less electrophilic than the carbonyl carbon. So you, in simple word, you can write, you can show like this, and at last, after showing all the structure, you can say distribution of charge in carboxylic group makes the carboxylic carbon or carboxylic group less stable. So we can due to that this group is less stable or less electrophilic than the carbonyl carbon. And one other question, and in other way we can explain, due to distribution of charge, in carboxylic group decreases the electrophilic nature of carboxylic carbon. This line you can write also. Due to distribution of charge makes the carboxylic carbon less electrophilic than the carbonyl carbon. So student, I think you have understood. If you are understanding whatever I am teaching, please like and share my videos. So if you will like and share, I will make more and more videos for you. So students, some question were given in your book. So we will write a fact name of these compounds. That is 12.6. Okay. So first question is given like this. And pH means phenyl group. So that can be written like this. These points you have to remember. Okay. So what is the name? We can start numbering 1, 2, 3. So what is the name? What is 3 phenyl propanoic acid. Understood? 3, it is at position 3, and that is propanoic acid. Second compound is this. So it can be written like this. Okay, if I write here CH3 whole to H3 means 2 alkyl groups are bonded to this. So we can write like this: CH3 C double H C double OH, like this. So you know that numbering will be done from that side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be named? 3-methyl. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute. What is position this? 2 in, and we can write 1 oic acid. That is oic acid. 1 oic acid. 3-methyl bute 2 in 1 oic acid. Okay. I think it is clear. Next is this compound. So how will you write name? What is the name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So at cycle at position 2, methyl group is there. So what will be name? 2-methyl cyclo. What is pentane carboxylic acid. And last compound name is, what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6 trinitro. What is benzoic acid? Benzene. carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, or instead of that we can write benzoic acid. So both are correct, students. So you can write these structures and name of the given compound.